This is Robert Kraft, and I'm your host on SNN.Network. And joining me right now is Ian Murray. He is the executive chairman at Matador Mining Limited. It's a publicly traded company. I got two symbols for you: MZZ on the ASX and MZZMF on the OTCQX. You can actually see Ian give an investor presentation at the upcoming Precious Metals Summit Beaver Creek hybrid event this year, happening September 8th through the 11th. With that, Ian, thank you so much for joining me today. How are you doing?
Yeah, very well. Thanks, Robert. Thanks for having me on here today.
It's great to have you. So this is our first time doing an interview together. So I'd love to start off with a quick overview and history of Matador Mining.
Yeah. So Matador Mining is an Australian listed company, as you said in the introduction. It picked up the project, the Cape Ray Gold project in Newfoundland in Canada in 2018. I joined the company last year, just as COVID kicked in early 2020. We've rebuilt the board. We're exploring actively in Newfoundland on the Cape Ray Gold project, cashed up with lots of drill rigs, lots of work going on in the ground, and with a very experienced team that's done this before in other listed companies.
So what would you say makes this project unique and different compared to your peers out there?
Well, I think Newfoundland is unique and different compared to all of our peers out there. It's very underexplored, and that's what attracted me into the company. You've got companies exploring there, Newfound Gold, Marathon Gold, all doing very well. We've already got 837,000 ounces in resource, but we own over 120 strike kilometers, so 80 strike miles of an unexplored shear zone, where the only exploration is where the mineralization outcrops at surface. 90% of the ground is covered in shallow transported material, which has never been explored before. So you've got an area where structurally it should host good gold systems. We know there are other gold discoveries on the island, and we hold a huge area which just hasn't had the systematic work.
Very good. And what's your background? I mean, how'd you come into all this?
Yeah, so my background is I've been in the gold mining industry close to 30 years, cut my teeth in South Africa, moved up to finance director or CFO there, then to managing director. I then moved to Australia, got involved in a company called Gold Road Resources, which is similar to Matador. It was a $5 million junior. We owned the Yamana Belt. We did systematic exploration and exploration targeting. We then found the Gruyere deposit, which is 7 or 8 million ounces of gold in production now. I retired from there in 2018, and I was asked to join Matador in 2020. I took one look at the exploration potential across the island, and I was sold. Absolutely jumped straight back in, and let's do it again. We've got a good team. We've got the exploration tenements, the prospectivity, and the shareholder backing.
Very good. So then, Ian, from what you can tell us, what would you say then are some of Matador's value catalysts now for the rest of 2021 going into 2022?
So we've got active exploration ongoing. We've got 2 diamond rigs drilling. We've just completed a very large aeromag program. The magnetic surveys highlight the structural targets very, very well in the area. That's been completed. We're busy analyzing that for new targets. We've got 5 power augers doing the geochemistry testing, the first pass testing of the new targets. So there'll be significant news flow from the HeliMag program, from the auger program, and from the diamond program. And our exploration is twofold. We've got the 837,000 ounces where we're doing brownfields exploration to expand that. But more importantly, we've got a massive greenfields program testing these new targets, which have never been tested before.
And with that, Ian, where can our audience go and find more information on Matador Mining?
Yeah, go to our website, www.matadormining.com.au, or reach out to me at the conference. I will be there in person, travel all the way from Australia to Canada to visit the project. And from here, I'm traveling down to the conference as well. So meet me at the conference, reach out to us through the website, look at the information and the presentations on the website. Any questions, just give us a shout.
Ian, thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate it. Good luck, stay safe, and I look forward to our next update.
Thank you, Robert. Keep well yourself.
Thank you. Again, my name is Robert Kraft, and I'm your host on SNN.Network, and we're a proud media sponsor for the upcoming Precious Metals Summit Beaver Creek hybrid event this year, happening September 8th through the 11th. Ian will be there giving an investor presentation. And thank you all for watching.